Here is a brief online demo on Micro Student Attendance Management System. To register the details, log on to www.microsams.net/Xavier. This is the home page of your organization ID. Please fill in the details of your organization name, your login ID, and the password. This is the home page, and here you can see the details of admin settings, the master entry, transaction, schedule, and reports. Go to master entry and click on add branch. Click on add new to enter all the details of your branch. Please fill in the details required here and click on save. Go to the transaction menu and click on assign card to assign details to the branch. Please click on assign. Fill in the details of the branch and click on assign. Further, go to the schedule menu and click on add bulletin to enter the details of any notice, exam, or event. Click on add new to enter the details for the bulletin. Please enter the detail of the date and the event and click on save. And OK. Further, go to reports and click on student information to avail all the necessary information on the students. These are the details on the students, but to get their entire attendance summary, please click on the PDF and Excel format to download. Now we will log out and proceed towards the branch admin. To enter the branch admin, please log on to www.microsams.net/Xavier. Please enter the branch name, login name, and the password. Here you will find the administration settings, master entry, transaction, schedule, and reports. To register your students, click on master entry and go to student registration. Click on add new to get the student form. This is the student registration form Please fill in the roll number, first name, add the photo, and similarly fill in all these details and click on save. Further, go to master entry, click on add test to enter the details of the test. Click on add new, fill in the details of the test and click on save. Similarly, you can go to add room and enter the details of the room for the test or the exam. Now, go to the transaction menu and click on add meeting to add a parent or teacher's meeting. Go to add new, enter the details of the meeting and click on save. Now, go to the reports menu and click on attendance summary to get the details of attendance of the students. Click on the PDF or Excel format here to download the details on attendance of students. This is the end of the session. Now we will log out from the branch admin. MicroSAMS will thus ensure smooth functioning of the school, college or university. We hope you are satisfied with the system. Thank you.